we'll guide you through how to use Stripe for online payments. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. You'll need to provide some basic details like your email, name, and password. After you've confirmed your email, you'll be directed to the dashboard. Here, you need to complete your account setup by verifying your business details. Click on the Start Now button under the Activate Your Account section. Fill out your business name, type, and address. Make sure to accurately enter your tax ID information and bank account details for payouts. Once your account is activated, return to the dashboard. To start accepting payments, click on Payments on the left side menu. You'll see an option to create payment link if you're selling products or services online. Enter the product details like name, description, and price. You can also set up recurring billing or one-time payments based on your business needs. After creating the payment link, you can share this link directly with your customers. If you're integrating Stripe with an existing website or e-commerce platform, you can access the API keys from the Developers section in the dashboard. Copy the publishable and secret keys to use them in your website's payment integration settings. Many platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Squarespace have built-in options to connect with Stripe. Simply go to their payment settings, select Stripe, and enter your API keys. This will seamlessly enable Stripe for your online transactions. Remember to test your setup in the test mode before going live to ensure everything is working smoothly. This way, you'll avoid any hiccups when customers start making payments. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.